everyone, this is Jan Briones, and today I'll be unboxing the Ipod Touch 3rd generation, 8 gigabyte. Can't see that. It's Ipod Touch. This is actually my second one because the other one wasn't working, so peeled the plastic off. Pretty easy. iPod. It has Apple stickers. Let's see, it has Apple stickers. These are much smaller ones than the others. Product information, and start here manual from iPod, for the Ipod Touch, and a USB connector, dock connector right here, and earphones. These are apparently not the earphones for the 32 gig and the 62. So yeah. Now the iPod itself. So I guess I have to peel this top off. Okay. What do you do? Okay, there. iPod. So peeling it off. So it's a magnet. It's a magnet. It is a magnet. So it is iPod. The back of the iPod is a magnet. It is a fingerprint magnet. So I got in case shield, not in case, but in case. What's it called? An in case case. So I'll take it off. Who wants an iPod? So okay, it's right here.
Give it to me.
Thanks for watching. Bye.